try to clean this out. Here's the thing: is my phone only has so much storage. I'm using my iPhone right now, so I didn't even think we'd be doing a video today.
Thank you.
So we're gonna be like,
thanks,
cleaning this out. So.
Yeah.
All right, here's a quick update for you guys. We are still playing 65 grudge. We have these 2 big bags. We don't even know like if this is wrong. Like, should I feel guilty? I don't know, but we've also got that one in this shoe. And we're doing pretty good, huh? What's up, Claw fam? We are back at Tilt. If you guys don't remember, they didn't really want us filming, but I thought, screw it, you know, frick the police.
Exactly, we're the rebels.
Yes. So we're just gonna film, see what happens, honestly, maybe something exciting. Maybe they won't say anything at all. There's like no one here today.
It's
so
like, it's literally us and this people up there, that's about it.
Actually me. Yeah, but alright, Jason's gonna play.
Let's get started.
Play this machine.
I'm gonna go for this bear. Okay, let's see. It's lined up good. It should be able to get it. There we go. Oh, first try would be so nice. I don't know. Oh! Please stay.
Oh! No! Nice! Hey, okay, nice.
That was sick.
That was awesome. First try.
That was so cool. I thought they were gonna fall.
Yeah.
Wow, that's so cool. Looks pretty good.
Oh,
come on.
Oh,
come on.
You got it.
Stay.
Nice.
Please stay.
Nice.
Oh.
Yeah.
It is pretty strong, I guess. Still.
Yeah. Nice. Well, that clamped really well too.
I'm gonna go again.
Dang, you're on a good streak right now. 3 for 2.
Yeah. Wow.
Try for that or the dog over there, but either one's gonna be pretty hard. So. Oh my gosh. No way. No way. Jason, what is this?
Oh man. Alright, I'm going for
Wow, you know what?
What is going on?
It's the first day of our break, you know, everything is like perfect.
Wow. Spin right.
Oh Please. My god. Oh my god.
Please.
Oh
Please.
my god.
No, oh my god, it's gonna fall.
Oh, and the streak.
I thought that was gonna be it. Alright.
And the streak ends.
Gosh dang it, I thought that was it.
You can get it now though. That was insane.
Right? I thought that was gonna stay. Oh no.
Oh, wait. Oh, it stopped the
now I gotta get it like
sticky stars.
In between. Alright, I'll try one more. Okay.
Oh, that might have it. That might have it. You got it. You got it.
No, it's gonna fall.
Last try. Yes. Hey, nice.
Yeah.
You still got it.
Okay. Machine's lit.
It went from really weak, or no, it went from super strong to really weak to like back to strong. Ooh. Yeah, that's as far back as it goes.
If it spins right,
might get a 2-in-1 with that like plastic thing too. I don't know. All right, let's try it. Wait a second. Wait. I wanted the dog. I don't even wanted that. All right, you know what? I'm gonna like put this on my butt right now. I'm gonna like stick it.
Cupcake? Nice.
Yeah.
That should be a little better.
Oh my god, that was horrible. I shouldn't swing it. Dang it.
There you go.
Perfect. Come on, take him out.
Oh, yes. I think you got it. Nice, good job.
Got the dog. Ooh, that one might be getting long.
Oh yeah.
You know what? I'm gonna go for it.
Oh man.
Oh, what was that?
What's
Okay,
that?
that wasn't even good. Freaking A.
You're probably better off just
Here I
dropping
am,
it.
I'm like, you gotta really be the
You're like,
crane.
I'll frick.
Yeah. Alright, screw
Sticking
it. I'm just gonna drop it. Come on. Oh no. Frick, it's
close. It's gotta
back
be a
too
good
far.
spin, yeah.
it's up to you actually. They're both like, oh,
no way.
no way. Jason.
Come on.
What the heck? What the heck? Oh my god.
I'm getting so
You are like Claw God today. Look at this. Like, oh my god.
Whoa.
I gotta go. I can't stand this.
Can't stand it anymore.
It's just too good.
Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Okay.
I should just stop now. Here, you know what? Take my card. Take it away from me.
You do the rest for me.
Yes. Oh.
Yeah, he's hard to win. He's like.
Get him by the head, I think.
The head?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Oh.
Stay in there.
Got him.
Come on, buddy.
Nice. Ooh, he's just about to fall.
Oh, dang.
Good job. Oh my god. Oh. My god. Yeah.
That summed up the day.
I literally like would have just got on my knees and start praising the Claw God.
Oh my goodness. As long as it doesn't hit that thing, it should be fine. Alright, last try.
Now let's try, he says. Wait, 2 and 1? Oh.
Yeah, it's just gonna
yeah.
Alright.
Alright.